After doing a month of research, I discovered 4 YouTube channels that went crazy popular in just 3 months, jumping from 0 to a massive 200k plus subscribers. They are all about dark, scary stories and using AI tools to grab millions of viewers. So I was thinking, why not showing my awesome audience how to create content like this and make a lot of money while doing something they enjoy? Get comfortable, turn all the lights off if you're watching this video at night, because I will show you how to create a spooky, bone-chilling short video. Now, why should you learn this? Well, these channels are making a lot of money, around 100,000 every month. Excited to learn how to do it on your own? Stay until the end. I'll show you step by step on how to create these videos using ChatGPT to come up with the script, Leonardo AI to generate the images, Elevenlabs to generate our voiceover, Runway ML to animate our images, and then finally we'll put everything together for our creation using CapCut. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more contents like this, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. Alright, on ChatGPT, we're gonna type in generate a scary story for YouTube shorts that take place in the woods in a small cabin where a demonic witch lives. Make the story 30 seconds long, suspenseful, and add jump scare. Alright, then here's your video script. If you don't like what it comes up with, you can always retype your request and it will give you another one. Now, let's request ChatGPT to come up with a set of prompts that align with the story. Okay, now let's go on Leonardo, where we will proceed to the image generation section, paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated to us, and then we wait. It usually takes less than 5 seconds. Alright, as you can observe, the result turned out pretty good. Now let's go to Elevenlabs. The link will be provided in the description. I prefer the voice of Adam as the narrator since it's a widely recognized voice. You can explore their voice library to select one that suits your preference. After choosing a voice, paste your prompt and click generate to see the outcome.
In the eerie silence of the moonlit wood.
Okay, I like what I heard so far. Let's move forward with Runway ML. On Runway, click on image to video. Here to upload the first picture by clicking upload a file. Below the prompt box, set motion setting to 5 for optimal results. Click generate and within a few seconds you will witness the animation. It's remarkable how just a few years ago this task would require a professional animator and hours of working. And now with AI tools we can do it in a few seconds. Alright, do this for all your images guys, and then when you're done, download them all. Okay, now we have all our images downloaded and ready. We will go to the last step, which is editing in CapCut. Exciting. Now in CapCut, drag and drop all the footages including the voiceover. To start editing, we're gonna drag the audio first to the timeline and then the videos. Like I always say guys, editing is all about creativity. Find your way to tell your story and make it how you want it. You can also change the speed. If the video is a little too fast, you can slow it down and match the voiceover. Alright, let me fast forward this part, it's a little too long. The next step is transition. To make the video look more interesting, my favorite transition is black fade. Drag it and drop it between the video you want. In my case, I will do all of them. Now we'll move forward with the color grading guys, and for that we will click on adjustment, drag it and drop it to the timeline on top of the videos. Go to the left side of the screen where it says basic. I'm not gonna do a lot of color grading because I'm about to use a filter named Clear 2. For the color grading, I'm just gonna drop the saturation to -26 so it can look a little gray, scary look, which is what we want. And now we are going to add filter. For that, we'll click on the left side of the screen, hit filter, scroll all the way down until you find what you want. For me, my favorite is Clear 2, which is going to add more life to the video. I would absolutely advise you guys to use this filter, but you can choose what you want. Alright, our video looks great. Let's move forward to the last and very important step, which is caption. Now for the caption again guys, click on the right side of the screen, hit text and then auto caption. Click on the drop down, choose the language, mine is English, And then for the text, you will go to the left side of the screen. They have so many options, guys. You can choose anything you want. In my case, I will go with the quick brown fox with the green and white color. Play around with the text size. You can put it anywhere you want on the video. I will put mine at the top so it doesn't cover the image. And we're done. We got our caption, our color grading. Everything looks good. Before we watch the video, I would like to say, guys, you can also add some sound effect, some audio to spice it up a little bit. And for you guys who were asking how to copy your transcript on YouTube, here is how you do it. Go on YouTube, click on the video that you want, click on the description, scroll all the way down, click on transcript on the right side up, click the 3 dots, and then toggle timestamp. Now copy the transcript. Do not use your mouse. You have to use your keyboard. Command C or Control C on a Windows computer. And that's it. Now back to the video. Let's go take a look at our creation.
In the eerie silence of the moonlit woods, a small cabin stood alone. Legend spoke of a demonic witch who cursed the very air around it. One night, a curious wanderer dared to enter. As they tiptoed through the creaking door, whispers echoed. The flickering candlelight revealed ancient symbols on the walls. Suddenly, a chilling wind extinguished the flame. Darkness engulfed the cabin. The wanderer fumbled for their phone, casting a feeble glow. Shadows danced ominously, and the air thickened with malevolence. Just as they were about to flee, a blood-curdling whisper echoed, "You've awakened me." In the blink of an eye, the demonic witch materialized, her ghastly visage inches away. The wanderer gasped, paralyzed by terror.
If you guys have enjoyed this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping all the resources that I used to make this video in the description. I will see you next week. Peace out.